Would you invest in an automated car wash if it could generate revenue every single day, even while you start a business with other jobs? Before you answer, think about this. Fuel machines are getting tired. Repair shops faces increasing competition. Parking lots often rely on faces monthly income. Yes, every day, thousands of vehicles already visit this business. The real question is not whether customer exists. It is whether you are maximizing the value of every customer who drive onto your property. This is exactly why more gas station owners, garage operator, parking lot manager, and investor are adding automated car wash system to their business. They are not opening an entirely new business. They are increasing the value of the one they already have. Imagine a customer stopping to refuel. Instead of leaving after 5 minutes, they choose a professional car wash before driving away, or a customer bringing a vehicle in for maintenance rather than waiting in a lounge. They leave with a freshly cleaned car in an additional service that improves customer satisfaction while creating another source of income from the same location. The Go&Go automatic car wash system was designed to make that possible with minimal labor and consistent results. Once the vehicle enters the wash bay, intelligent sensors guide the washing sequence automatically. High-pressure water removes loaders before soap brushes gently clean the body without damaging the paint. Dedicated wheel cleaning brush removes stubborn breakers, while the optional undercarriage wash clean areas that are difficult to reach by hand. For business looking to provide a premium experience, the optional air drying system finishes the process, allowing customers to dry away with a clean, dry vehicle in just a few minutes. The biggest advantage is not just speed, it is consistency. Unlike manual washing, where quality depends on the experience and motivation of each worker, every vehicle receives the same professional wash cycle. That consistency builds customer trust, encourages repeat visits, and strengthens your brand. Another challenge many business owners face is labor. Finding reliable employees is becoming harder every year, and labor costs continue to rise. With the Go&Go system, one operator can supervise the entire process, while the merchant performs the heavy work. Instead of managing a large washing team, your staff can focus on customer service and other profitable activities. Operating costs are also predictable. Water, electricity, and detergent consumptions are carefully controlled throughout its wash cycle, making it much easier to calculate profits per vehicle. As vehicle volume grows, your business becomes more efficient without increasing labor at the same pace. Perhaps the most important benefit is that an automatic car wash transforms idle space into a revenue-producing asset. A gas station adds value without selling more fuel. A garage an additional income beyond repairs. A parking facility creates a premium service customers are willing to pay for. Instead of depending on a single income source, you are building multiple streams of revenue from one location. So is investing in the Go&Go automatic car wash system worth it? If you are looking for a shortcut to overnight success, probably not. But if you are looking for a smarter way to increase revenue, reduce labor dependency, improve customer experience, and future-proof your business, answers become much clearer. The best investment decisions are based on real demonstration, not assumptions. Contact Go&Go today to schedule a live machine demonstration, discuss your business goal with our team, and receive a customized investment analysis based on your location and expected vehicle traffic. The business that leads tomorrow are making the decision today.